In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to Google Pay 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on each screen, and a few tips to make the process smooth and secure. First, open a browser and go to pay.google.com or play.google.com, then sign in to your Google account. Make sure you're using the account you want to fund, especially if you manage more than one profile. Once you're in, you'll land on Google's Payments Hub where you can manage your wallet, balance, and saved cards or bank accounts. Next, look for the menu and choose payment methods. This section shows every card and bank you've linked, plus options for adding new ones. It's also where you'll find your Google Pay balance and tools to move money in or out, depending on what's available in your region. To add money to your balance, select Add Money. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Take a moment to double check the number. Minimums and maximums can apply, and some regions may show fees or estimated delivery times before you confirm. If you see a currency indicator, make sure it matches what you expect. Now choose how you want to fund the top up. If you already have a bank account linked, select it here. Bank transfers can be instant or take a bit longer, depending on your country and your bank's processing times. If you prefer a different source and don't see it listed, you can add it right away. Click Add Payment Method to link a new card or bank account. Enter your details exactly as they appear with your bank, including name and billing address. Many banks may prompt you to complete an extra security step like a one-time passcode. For cards, you might notice a small temporary authorization hold that disappears shortly after. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity or bank account. This could include confirming small test deposits, completing a quick ID check, or passing a security challenge. Keep an eye on your email or notifications for any verification updates. If something doesn't verify on the first try, ensure your information matches your bank records and try again. Once your funding source is set and verified, return to Add Money, confirm the amount and source, and finalize. You'll get a confirmation on screen and you may receive an email receipt. Funds can appear instantly or within a few business days. To check status, revisit payment methods or your wallet home. If you don't see the Add Money option, it may not be supported for your account or region. Stay signed into the correct Google account, keep your browser updated, and never share verification codes with anyone.